we have been very graciously brought into the Lakota tribe and have had the ability with them to sit with them in sweat lodges and go through really appropriate treatment or be led by them in culturally appropriate treatment, what a lot of people call soul retrieval and soul work. So that there are different ways in each culture or tribe of doing it. So forgive me if I sometimes speak inaccurately, but throughout our history, it's fairly similar in other cultures. But one of the aspects I find in that similarity is the Triskelion, the symbol that is three spirals connected to each
Mhm.
other. A time and place of transition is what it symbolizes. And it was drawn out here in the Americas by our indigenous clans of Native American folks. And it was drawn out actually as well in places like Sicily and Northern Europe and in Germany and Ireland. There's some really great artwork actually in Ireland that still houses it. And they had no understanding of each other, but they were drawing out the same symbols and using them for the same purpose of transition
Mm.
and bringing folks into what would be called a vision fast in the native practices, and what would also be called isolation or forest bathing, a druidness, where you have a sense deprivation that attunes the mind and body to introspective processes and slowly become conscious of what needs to come out of you somatically, because the body does encode our experiences and needs its own treatment just as much as the mind does, which is, I think, where psychedelics is latched on in our human history, because it gives us this ability to work with mind and body and spirit simultaneously so that you are much more attuned to what's going on with you somatically.